Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ardor. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Ardor has formed a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And at the same time, it is also moving inside a very big symmetrical triangle on a monthly time frame chart as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then this is the symmetrical triangle that the price line has formed on a monthly time frame chart. And this is the falling wedge pattern that is by the way more visible on the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously the price line formed this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout we had a very powerful pump, but the price line got rejected by the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it falls more than 1742%. And now same as like that, the price line has formed another falling wedge pattern within this symmetrical triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ardor. And this trade signal produced almost 88%, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ardor that I shared on 4th of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that Ardor formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 88%, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Ardor. And this is the monthly time frame chart. And first of all, let me to show you the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Almost at the same level, we have the resistance of the wedge where we have the resistance of the bigger symmetrical triangle. Here you can see that this falling wedge pattern's resistance comes from the month of April 2021, slightly higher than the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. We have the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. We got rejection here, we had a bounce here, and then we had another bounce here, a few more touch points here and here and here. Then we got rejection here, rejections here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now the price line is moving between the support and resistance of this falling wedge pattern. In case of the price line again drop down at the support of the wedge, then it can test the support somewhere here, approximately at 4.7 cents. And after the breakout, because this is a bullish path pattern like previously from this falling wedge pattern, I'm expecting that it can again break out this falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, the technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 80 cents. And now if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then here the price line is moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and movement is very squeezed now inside this triangle. Therefore, sooner or later the pricing can break out this pattern. You can see that we have a bullish bias pattern within this symmetrical triangle, and when the pricing will break out this falling wedge pattern at the same time, almost at the same time, it will also break out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle as well. And if the price line breaks out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, then technical target and quite long-term target will be here, approximately at $45. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.